Hi guys, this is my unboxing session for my Louis Vuitton um, gift for Christmas. Here it is. Still intact. Got it from Vancouver, Louis Vuitton Vancouver. Okay. Put that box down there, and here it is. More paper. And siya. What's inside here? Oh, look! I got free sample of perfume sample. There it is. Travel size. Okay, that's the paper bag. And let's see. Look, I'm excited. It's gonna be an addition to my collection. Okay. Let's see. All right, this way. Magnetic clip, no? Ta-da! Alright, there's the receipt. And my SAS Michael from Vancouver. Let's see, can you see that? Michael Moo. Client Advisor, Vancouver Hotel in Burrard. Okay, that's the receipt. And how much this cost. Let's see. It's 1,100 right here. 1,110 to be exact. And it's a flat comfort mule. Oh, plus tax comes up to 1,243 right here. 1,243 Canadian dollar. Okay, this is from Louis Vuitton Vancouver. And this is what I got. Ta-da! It's a slippers. This is good pag mag-travel to Philippines kasi mainit. That's the bag. And another one. First time mag-unboxing ni Inday. That. Okay, let's see. We'll try it. This is size 38. My regular size is actually 37.5, but I read the reviews. They said that you need to size up. So this is it. They said you need to size up for this because it's a little bit tight. Usually if you have a wider fit. Okay, dokie. I'm happy I got this, so it's good. Like that. That's Louis Vuitton Mule slippers. Look, that's size 38. Size 38. Okie dokie. This is like $1,200 slippers. And I like it. This is good for traveling, wearing dress, wearing shorts, and no need to wear socks. So let me see if it will fit me, okay? Let's let's see. Ganyan siya. Tadan! Can you see? Oh my lordy. Ganyan lang siya. Looks good. Fit lang sa akin, oh. So yeah, it's all good. I'm happy. Happy with my purchase. Ganyan siya. This is size. You need to size up. I'm 7.5. So I got size 38. And then this one here, I adjusted it up to the last hole kasi malapad yung pa ako. So yeah, it's perfect. There you go. And it's very comfy. I can wear this with dress, shorts. Ganyan lang. Okay, bye! See you next time! So, ang ganda, super. Unboxing si Inday, oh. So, ito lang yung mga ito lang yung price niya. Got it in Louis Vuitton, Vancouver. And that's my name. Sale ID. The price is 1,110. And the taxes included is 56 for the GST. 56.50 and 7% PST 77.70, so comes up to 1,243.20. There you go. Thank you so much, Babush.